How's it, guys? Welcome to my home studio. My name is Kelly, and on my channel I like to share planner videos, art videos, recipes, DIYs, mixed media, crafts, happy mail and hauls, and sometimes I will throw in a lifestyle video. So if any of that sounds appealing to you, I hope you do consider subscribing to my channel. So I have a new fountain pen. Ta-da! Love the dramatics, as it were. So this is Happymail from the Nibsmith, and I have ordered from him before, and I ordered via text. You can call, you can text, you can email, you can go onto his website as you like. Very fast service, very professional, and just an overall good person, in my opinion. So I ordered this pen from him this time, and this is a Visconti pen made in Florence, Italy. This is the Visconti Rembrandt fountain pen in pink. How cute. So I'm going to read you a little blurb off of his website because I like to know the history personally of my pen. So, Visconti's well-known Rembrandt collection was inspired by the famous 17th century painter Rembrandt. Van Rijn. Sorry if I butchered the name. Rembrandt is recognized as one of the most influential artists in art history, known for his ability to blend the elements of earthly and spiritual life into his works. Rembrandt mastered the use of color using, and forgive my pronunciation, using the chiaroscuro technique, an oil painting technique that uses strong contrasts between light and dark, using shading to represent three-dimensional forms. Cool, right? Especially any of you art history buffs out there. The Rembrandt has a unique magnetic closing system which promotes an ease of access, different from the normal snap system. It does not become loose with time. The famous My Pen system allows each regular edition Visconti pen to be personalized. The clip is unique to Visconti and reveals the origin of the brand as it takes inspiration from Ponte Vecchio Bridge in Florence, Italy. The shape and dimensions of the writing instrument make it the perfect pen to be used every day. Visconti Rembrandt is available as a fountain pen with a steel nib in widths fine, medium, and broad. It utilizes the cartridge converter filling system for convenience and ease of use. Converter included, which I really appreciate. So, like I said, this is a Visconti Rembrandt fountain pen in pink. And I chose to get the broad nib. And the Nibsmith, he can actually make any kind of nib you want. You can have it customized to be an architect nib, a music nib, whatever. Just let him know and he'll do it. So, without further ado, let's get this party started. This is a lovely, like, shiny gray box, too, by the way. The big reveal. Ta-da! Beautiful. And it's on this nice, soft bed. And this is what came inside. I opened it. It's made in Florence, Italy, like I said. Visconti, Italy, as it were. Okay. Let's bring you down for a closer, up close and personal peek, as it were, if you will. Look at that. That is just stunning. Wow. Look how beautiful that is. It's like pink and white. And the has that little veining line. It's so beautiful. And then it has silver hardware on the finial and the bottom, and the Visconti logo on the top of the finial. This says Visconti here on the clip, as you can see. And here we go. Wow, that's nice, right? Just goes right on. It's like it's magnetic or something. I don't know if it's magnetic or not, but it just like goes to close by itself. Ta-da. Like I didn't push it, watch. Just let it go. This is a really fine pen, and it's not that expensive. So if you want custom work, like a special nib, it is an extra $45. So I wish I could have done that, but I was trying to be conservative. So I would love to try an architect nib, or get him to do an italic nib, because the first fountain pen that my parents ever gave me is this one. And this is an italic nib. I've had this since I was 7. So, anyway, I like the italic nib. And I would like to try the music nib as well. I don't have any of those, but in any event, this is a broad nib, so I'm glad I got it. Look at that. Beautiful. And there is the feed. You can see the nib. It's silver. And it comes apart, and I've taken all the stuff out of the box. You hear the choo-choo train in the faint distance? I love being able to just slightly hear that. I don't know, there's just something about that that I like. Travel. My family went to Alaska, and one of the things they decided to do was take a train through the countryside, and I couldn't go. My husband and I couldn't go, so we missed that trip, but I'm glad they all went. Look how beautiful. So that's I think it's a universal converter. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but I have other converters like that, so that is what I like to use. I don't really use the cartridges, so, because I like to pink my ink myself, and then it just screws back on. So pretty. It's so classy and sophisticated and just dainty. I really like it. Beautiful. Let's see how it posts. Okay. Very nice. Posts really nicely. There you go. Very nice pen. Very well made. I love Italian people personally, so we just get on so well, actually. Always have, because there's a lot of Italian people in Florida. I used to live there, and a lot of people moved down from Jersey and New York to Florida, so I had a lot of Italian friends. Very cool, very down to earth, very personable and family oriented, so, and very, like, matter of fact, just honest, you know. just you say it like it is. So that's how I am. So anyway, okay, that is my pen. I love it. So in another upcoming video, I will ink her up. This beauty. This is gorgeous. It's so different than anything I have. Just the detail with the pink and the white and the veining. Wow. And it wasn't that expensive. I mean, and it was on sale. Like, I was able to get it on sale, so it's really pretty. Really pretty. Look at that detail on the finial, which is this. See that? So pretty. Okay, guys, that, my friends, is everything. If you liked what you saw, I hope that you do consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope you come back and visit me when I ink her up. Thank you ever so kindly for watching. If you like what you saw, I hope you do consider subscribing to my channel, and I wish all you folks a beautiful day. Peace out.